First draw one horizontal line and one perpendicular line and cross them. In this point, draw the wrinkle between two eyes and draw the eyes, and then draw the nose close to the eyes and also the mouth very close to the nose. We all done with the facial features. Then draw the head shape, and the head shape can define your character of Dragon Ball, because every character has almost the same facial features, but their head shape are different. So try to draw the head shape more perfectly to get the right character. Now draw the muscular neck, which will start uh, from nearby the ears, and draw chest and shoulders. For the hair, try to make a guideline like this, so you can define your Super Saiyan spikes where will go, and then add more details to make it more precise. And that's all for this video, and I'm going to draw future Trunks with the same method I used to draw Goku. So watch this video till then.